We shall study about the Globe Theatre. As I had already mentioned, Globe Theatre was built in 1599 by Shakespeare's playing company Lord Chamberlain's men. It was destroyed by fire on 29th June 1613. A second Globe Theatre was built on the same site by 1 year after, June 1614, and it was closed by an ordinance issued on 6th September 1642. The modern Globe Theatre that is being found now is built in 1997. Let us see the structure of Globe Theatre. Globe Theatre consisted of 3 stories. It was an open amphitheatre. Amphitheatre in the sense there will be the stage. The stage will be there, and the people will be sitting in a very semicircle way. The stage will be here, the stage will be in front, and the people will be sitting like a semicircle. They will be sitting, and it is an open air. At the base of the stage, there is an area called pitch, where the people who pay 1 penny, and the groundlings, they are referred to as groundling, the people who pay 1 penny sits or stands. You know, even in the theatre, we have got first class, second class, balcony and all, right? The same way, at that time, people who paid the least amount, that is 1 penny, used to remain in that ground. And on other floor, they will remain there. They will either sit there or stand there, and they used to watch the staging of the place. The inner stage is in the center, and there is a balcony about it. When you see about the inner stage, it is like this. As I told you, I will explain to you very clear the structure of the amphitheater, the structure of the Globe Theatre. It is like this. Imagine that the people are sitting like this in a semicircle way. In front of us is the ground area, which is referred to as pitch, where the people who pay 1 penny will be sitting or standing. And in front of it is the stage. And the stage, as I told you, this building is already 3-story. Okay. About 2-story, there is a ceiling, a roof. Roof of the stage is about 2 stories. The 2 stories are behind, and the stage is in front open. And above the 2 stories, there is the roof, the ceiling of which is painted as sky and clouds. Okay, and this is referred to as heavens. And there's a trapdoor in this ceiling where people can come down by rope or anything like that. Okay, as I told you, there is the ceiling is above 2 stories. The down story is the tiring house, where the actors wear the costume and they wait to enter for their entrance. And that area, the tiring house, the ground floor, it has got 3 doors, the left and right doors for entry and exit, and the door in the middle is used either as balcony, or it can be used as an upper window, or as the wall of the towns. Okay, and the second story, I mean there are 3 stories. The first story or the ground story is the tiring house, where people that is the background area, backstage area of the stage, where people used to wait. And the next story above it, which is the story where they used to store the costumes and props. And there you have this the ceiling, the roof, which is named as heavens because of the portrayal of sky and clouds on it. And above is the third story. The third story has got the balcony, and that balcony is where the musicians will be seated, and that balcony is even used as balconies for the balcony scene in Romeo and Juliet. Okay, so I hope you understood about the structure of the Globe Theatre. And then there is another thing. Stage is there, right? So underneath the stage also there is a area which is referred to as hell, and this kind of some noises and all, right? The ghost noise and all these things used to come from that area, hell. And I believe that there is also an opening where the actors can emerge from the hell to the stage. Okay, then some things which should be very clear to you about Shakespeare's Globe Theatre is that they use no artificial lights. No settings like bed and all will not be put. You should understand that there is no curtain. So that's why bringing in the bed or all those things it's not possible. There is no curtain. Then another thing is that the stage is set in the southeast corner of the building, so as to be so that they can get the shade during summer time, where the plays will be conducted in the afternoon. So they need a shade. So it is kept, the stage is kept in the southeast part of the building. Then another thing is that the stage has got two pillars, and the other sides there are two columns also. And then I already told you about hell, which is not visible to the audience. I hope the structure of Globe Theatre is very clear to you. You can even watch YouTube. There are you can even see the structure in the YouTube. Thank you.